Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by ensuring drivers are installed and monitors connected. This matters for mode support and hot plug detection. Run Xrandr to list outputs, or check your compositor's display settings if you use Wayland. Note model names and available resolutions so you can pick matching modes. Once done, disable any conflicting display managers and make a simple backup of current config. This prevents surprises and gives you a fallback if a display fails to initialize. Now you arrange monitors and set modes. With Xrandr, choose an output, set resolution and refresh, and position it relative to the other display. This controls primary and extended desktop behavior. For Wayland, adjust layout in your compositor's GUI or config file because Xrandr won't apply. Once you verify alignment and window flow, create a one-line script or add settings to startup so the layout persists across reboots and when monitors are hot plugged. Finish by automating the layout and testing common failure modes. Add your Xrandr script to session auto start or a systemd user service so settings apply at login. Once applied, test suspend, logout, and cable reconnects to ensure resilience. If something goes wrong, like a black screen or no signal, check kernel and Zorg/Wayland logs, try a different refresh rate or VESA mode, and revert to the backup config. This targeted troubleshooting usually isolates driver or mode mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.